Hey guys, welcome back to another Widget Wednesday. I'm Matt. I work here at the parts department in North Tonawanda. Quick one for you today. We're going to be talking to you about KUMA. You're probably asking what a KUMA is. KUMA is a product line of RV camp supplies. We carry their chairs, we carry their tables, and also the RV mats. But we can order anything for you. They do grills, they do tents. We can order anything in for you. But let's talk about the products that we have here today. The first one is the KUMA Bear Buddy chair. It's a dual chair, and it all folds up into a package just this size here. Okay, so we have a few different colors. We have a light gray, we have a blue plaid, which is the one you see here, also a red plaid. All right, and we can get this in a darker gray too. Kind of looks a little bit like this. Tough to see, but all right. They're extremely comfy. You can see there's a ton of padding on these chairs. The cool thing is there's no bar in the middle. So even if you sit down and you're closer to one side, you're not going to have that bar hitting you in the leg for a really uncomfy chair. And I think the best thing, if you look right here, that's a little holder for wine glasses. So keep your wine with you. Perfect spot for it. But we're going to pop one open just to show you how easy it is. All right. This is the light gray. They call it heathered gray. Okay. Take the bag off. The bag has a nice sling on it so you can carry it around with you. Oh, forgot the strap. There we go. And just like that, you're set, ready to go. All right. If you haven't sat in these chairs yet, I urge you to come on by and take a seat in them. They're so comfy. We're going to talk about these ones too. This is the Lazy Bear chair. We have a few more colors of this. We have the Real Tree, which is the camo, and the dark gray, which we talked about. Same thing, super easy to set up, really, really comfy. All right. And the last one, the last chair we have, this one comes with a little table on the side. Keep your drinks. All right. Also super easy to fold up, so check this out. Pop the table down, fold the chair up, you're good to go. All right. Pretty neat stuff. Just to give you some pricing, the big Bear Buddy chair, those are $130. The single chairs are $100, and the chair with the little table on the side, these are $80. Okay, and we have a whole bunch in stock. Besides that though, a couple more things. KUMA also makes RV mats. They come in all different sizes. These ones here, this one's 12 by 9, this one's 12 by 9 too. We have a zigzag design. You can kind of see this one here. And this one is a bear design. That's probably tough to see, but it's a really cool, like, geometric type bear. So really awesome camp mats, high quality. These go for about $100 depending on the size. Okay. The last thing I want to talk to you about today is this table. This is also made by KUMA. Taking a table with you is important when you want to go camping, but so is storage. The really cool thing about this table is that it all folds down. There's a couple pins on each side here, and that's going to pull up this piece. Okay. Once this entire table folds down, it fits into a bag this size. So really compact, really easy to store. Some really cool products. So that's it. Real short one for you today. Come on down, take a look at them. We have them coming in stock all the time. Really good gifts for, you know, birthdays, upcoming holidays, what have you. So swing on down to Colton RV. My name's Matt. I work in the parts department. Call in with any questions, and we're happy to help.